And so they've come here from all over the world. This is the first time that they've performed together in over 20 years. So this is actually a really, really special time. So I'll introduce the band. On the guitar, we have a guest musician, an Augsburg College alum, Steve Herzog. On percussion, we have Samatar Sala and Bob Stack, also from Augsburg College. On drums, we have, who lives now in Minneapolis, Harvey. All the way from London, Ujeri. Ujeri's on bass, and then on keyboard we have from Toronto, Abdi Wahab Naji. We also have our vocalist from London, Abdi Noor Jazz. Last but not least, we have the founders of Durdur Band here from Columbus, Ohio. We have Abdi Noor Dalgir and Sahra Dawo. I want to let you know that they're going to be selling records at the merch table. Mark's going to be selling records after the show here. And I'd also just like to thank my colleagues Fadumo, Courtney, and Emmy. Without them, none of this would be possible. So with that, Sahra Dawo.
Thank you. Sudila ikutoda yo baraka udira ayaya wasadidado tukisu sodira ayaya kisudila ikutoda yo baraka udira ayaya wasadidado tukisu sodira ayaya دايا 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 لما تنسينا يو حق الله حق لما تنسيو تلاعيا حق لما تنسيو تلاعيا دايا 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 لما تنسينا يو حق الله So garatori esse o segura io lo so dirata boccione hausheshe unida sida utuba so garatori esse se tu laio lo so dirà agoccio di hausheshe حق لما تنسيو تلاعيا لما تنسيو تلاعيا دايا 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 لما تنسيو حق الله تلاعيا حق لما تنسيو تلاعيا دايا 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 لما تنسيو حق الله